Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
First, confirm your carrier supports Volte and HD voice services in your area. Check your cellular plan details or call customer service to confirm Volte provisioning. Verify your iPhone model is iPhone 6 or later for typical Volte hardware support. Update your phone to the latest iOS release in Settings, then choose General and Software Update. Restart your device after updating to ensure carrier settings install properly. Keep your carrier account active and properly provisioned before proceeding to open Settings and tap Cellular to access your mobile controls on the iPhone. Tap Cellular Data Options and then look for Voice LTE, or Vo LTE settings in that menu. If you see Voice LTE, set it to On or Voice and Data depending on the iOS label. After toggling Vo LTE, restart your iPhone to let the network re-register the device. If the Vo LTE option is missing, update carrier settings or reinsert a supported physical SIM card or eSIM profile. Make a test call to confirm you hear clearer HD voice quality on Vo LTE. Watch the status bar and call details to see if the device stays on 4G or LTE during the call. If calls drop to 3G or lower, power cycle the phone and toggle airplane mode for a fresh network registration. Contact your carrier if the device still falls back to older networks. Request explicit Vo LTE provisioning on your account. Use field test mode or a network status app to confirm LTE registration when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.